So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are financial functions in DAX in Power BI. So the financial functions in DAX are used in formulas that performs financial calculations such as net present value and rate of return. These functions are similar to the financial functions used in Microsoft Excel. And if you see on official Microsoft site, they have listed down n number of financial functions that are available in DAX. Let's see let's take an example and see where we can use these financial functions. Now, let's say we want to find out the accrued interest for a security that pays periodic interest. So, in order to find out this interest, we can make use of this ACCRINT function. Let's take one more example. Now, let's say we want to find out the accrued interest for a security that pays interest at maturity. So, in order to find out this, we can make use of this function, which is ACCRINTM. So in this way, we can make use of financial functions in DAX in Power BI. We are going to cover few of them in the upcoming tutorials. So stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video.